Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to connect your form responses with Dropbox. So I had opened an already created form and under this I have this section called responses. When I click onto this, I've been redirected to this integration section and under this I have different integration options to connect my form responses with. So I'm selecting on the Dropbox option from here and this particular form has not been connected to Dropbox. So I'm clicking onto the select folder option and I've been redirected to the Dropbox tab automatically. So I'll select this particular folder called Bolo Forms from Dropbox and then clicking on the choose button. So now this particular form has been connected to Dropbox. We'll test this out now. I'm filling out this form myself. So I'm clicking on the submit button. So now we'll go and check if we are able to see this particular response PDF under the Bolo Forms folder. When I click onto the view folder option over here, I'll be redirected to the Dropbox dashboard. And under this Dropbox dashboard, I'm able to see this particular response from this test2@gmail.com. When I click onto this, I'll be able to see the response PDF under this particular folder. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you.